Hi guys, so I just wanted to hop on here and make a really quick video on how to use the detoxifying mask. This mask is so important to use and it is great on all skin types and for the entire family. All right, so it has a bamboo charcoal mask. Okay, so you're gonna put it on, you're gonna see this happen on my face. It is going to oxygenize as soon as it touches the skin and is gonna take out the impurities. You're not gonna see that happen, but believe me, it does. You're gonna see the little bubbles. It's gonna take all your toxins out, all your imperfections, okay? And then it is going to put oxygen back into your skin. It's gonna hydrate and it's gonna exfoliate without the harshness, okay? So it has amazing properties in this detoxifying mask. Great for anybody who has rosacea, dark spots, large pores, dry skin, what else? Acne. It is literally amazing. So here's what you do. The key is get your face wet. So I've already washed my face. I use our moisture boosting cleanser because I have dry skin and I want the moisture. We also have a pore purifying cleanser, okay, that has tiny little exfoliation what's it called? Jojoba beads in it. So if you have even drier skin and you want that, I would recommend that cleanser. Okay, so you're gonna cleanse your face, then you're gonna have your face damp. So my face is dry, so I'll be right back. I just need to go wet my face. Okay, so the key to this product, okay, the detoxifying mask, is you wanna have your face damp, but your hands dry. As soon as this product touches wet, it will start the oxygenation process. So if your hands are wet, you're just gonna start the process in here instead of on your face. So you can apply this with your fingers, which I like to do because then I'm not wasting product. Or you can actually use like a foundation brush, okay? So I'm just gonna go quickly apply this and then get back here as soon as I can to show you the oxygenation process. Be right back. Hi guys, okay, so I'm back. So hopefully, how can you see this the best? Can you see these little bubbles? So I quickly applied the mask and can you see the bubbles happening? You can hear it. I'm like snap, crackle, and popping. I also put this on my lips because this is an exfoliator. It's going to exfoliate your lips and also bring moisture back to your lips, all right? Can you hear that? It's the most amazing thing. Put it on your entire family, and then when it's all dry, so basically, I wait until my entire face is dry. You could see where it's happening, okay? And certain parts are already drying out, but it's just amazing. Okay, so as soon as the face is all dry, all you're gonna do is take a damp washcloth. I like to use warm water. Take a damp washcloth and just wipe it off. You could actually put your entire face underneath and wash it off with warm water. And then what you're gonna do, you do want to use a toner. So rose water is a great natural toner because you wanna bring back the pH to your skin, the pH balance. So after you do this, just spray with rose water or a toner that you prefer. Okay, so, and then I'll also just put on a moisturizer. So let me know if you have any questions. If you would like a sample, just comment below sample. If you're interested in this mask, it is great for the entire family, lasts forever. Do this about once or twice a week. If you have acne or more issues with your skin, you could definitely do this more often, okay? And I like to alternate this with our exfoliating mask, which actually will get at, it's more of a real exfoliator. This exfoliates lightly. Like there's no peeling of this. You literally wash it off and there's no, same with our exfoliating mask, but it's just a little harsher on the skin. If you have rosacea, choose this mask, okay? All right, so there you go. Bye, guys.